Hello there, my name is Chevy Canal, and today I would like to introduce you the Kiali Actions. Kiali Actions are those actions, those wizards that help you to modify your traffic. It helps you to use the traffic management tools and features from Istio, and without touching any single line of code, it's just using the Kiali dashboard. So let me show you. First, this is the Kiali overview page where you have that I have few namespaces, but I have one particular one for the book info. This one is using MTLS for this namespace. Let me show you how this is working. What we have here. Let me change first the graph to the the version up graph. So it's a the typical example, the book info one, and I would like to poll you and introduce you what we're gonna do here with the Kiali action. So reviews version, it has a reviews application has three versions, right? And what we're gonna do is we want to spend all the traffic going to B1. We believe that the B1 version is really old. It's no longer needed. A few users are using this version, and we've proved that B2 and B3 are working, and we want to keep um, experimenting with them. So what we are going to do is we are going to do to the review service, and double clicking on it, we will see better what is happening here, all the communications in the see. Let's for a second forget about the security here, and we are gonna show the percentage of traffic going to every version, right? So here we see that product page, which is kind of the parent page calling to the reviews, sends all the traffic to reviews, and this one splits in three to version 1, 2, and 3 for equally, right? So what we're going to do is just suspend the traffic going here. Our aim, our goal is to have a 0. So what we can do is see the details page. We want to see the details page of the service details, and here you have the actions. So we have one particular action, which is suspend traffic. Suspend traffic, it shows you this form, this nice form, that what it does is what you can see, say or do is enable or disable traffic as you wish. So I want to have reviews 2 and reviews 3 connected, but the reviews B1 I want to have suspended. That's all what you have to do. So here we have a green light, so everything went all right. What you see here is that you have virtual service and destination rules creating the necessary rules for suspending. Let's go and see the full graph for seeing all what is necessary to see all the percentage here. Let me go back to the version graph again, and here let's zoom out. Let's zoom out to the reviews one. Let's center this to the reviews one. As you see here, I have extra objects, and 6.7% of traffic is going to B1, while the 46 is going to V2 and V3. Now we have like 50, 45% going to V2 and V3, and this will get stabilized, like constant over the time. So yep, just without touching any line of code, what we have is we have suspended this V1. Let's go back and let's do one thing. Now we'd like to increase the usage of ratings V2. What we want to do, our goal of the next action is we want to increase the traffic going to V2 by 80%, meaning that the rest of the 20% of the traffic will go to V1. So again, what we're gonna do is go to the details page, and we will create a weight routing. And what we'll do is we'll put this to 80%, 80%, just creating the Istio objects. Kiali is the one in charge of creating all the Istio objects. And as you will see, if we go to the graph, now we should see here in this service, we should see that those numbers, it should be changing, increasing in V2 and decreasing in V1. As you see, this one is decreasing. Every 10 seconds, we will have this data updated. Right? So yes, that's a Kiali Actions. Thank you for coming and seeing the video. See you on the internet.